All right, glad you're up. Small businesses can't get credit. But does the president seem to grasp how important a role they play in the economy?
Historically, small businesses have created roughly 2 out of every 3 new jobs in our country. And to replace the millions of jobs lost in the recession, we're going to need to make sure that small companies are able to open up and expand and add names to their payroll.
All right, so let's see how that's going. And does he make that happen? Small businesses have this message, though, for the president.
Need the money! Show me the money! Show me the money!
That's what he wants. Joining us right now are 2 small business owners. Special thanks to Tom Cruise. We'll pay your rights. To talk about this, are they seeing the money? Alana Everson is owner of the New York City Business Networking Group, the largest group of entrepreneurs and professionals in the country. Thanks for joining us, Alana. And Eric Cohen is here, owner of Benefit Quest, an insurance company. First, Alana, how's it going? Small business owner, you need some credit. Tell us how you're doing in this economy.
I'm finding it very difficult to get credit, and if credit is available, the interest rates are very high, so that it's almost impossible to pay the credit and keep your business up and running.
What role do you see the big government playing in something like that happening? Are banks just being tight-fisted?
I think they're presuming that larger businesses are less risky than the small business, and they haven't really paid much attention to the small business over the last year or since the economy has tanked.
All right, now let's factor in Eric. Eric, what do you think your company needs in 2010, and what do you think banks are doing for you or not?
Well, we definitely need financing. Expenses are up for us and for all of our clients. Recruiting costs, marketing costs. You have to stay competitive in this economy. You don't want to use your home equity loans as in the past because home prices have gone down, so you're limited there. You have to go to the banks. They're used to working with bigger companies that have business plans, so you have to work on heavy-duty business plans for them. And,
right.
That's hard to do.
And Alana, right now, in your case, you're taking less money, taking less of a salary in order to get an extra hand on deck, correct?
That's true. I've actually decided not to take a salary for the next 6 months, and I've hired someone part-time because I can do more to grow my business with 2 sets of hands than just obviously working on my own. So we have to do what we need to do to keep the business running.
All right, Andrew Hemingway is now joining us. He's owner of Digital Media, and it's a consulting firm. Andrew, I want to get your perspective. We were talking about small business, and the administration acknowledges the need for small businesses to be successful and to grow. What kind of hurdles are you forced to deal with?
Well, you know, this economy is obviously very difficult. The credit markets obviously are very tight. You know, more than credit, almost small businesses is we need consumers, and you know, consumers need that confidence coming back into the marketplace, and that's going to free up, you know, not only cash flow but also our credit markets.
Andrew, you tell us 2 years ago you were able to secure a line of credit, but this year, when you went to do the same thing and expand again, what did you find?
Well, you know, the answer was no. I bank with a small local bank. I love to keep my business local. And the small local bank that I do business with is going through a difficult time because of the credit markets. And they just are not looking at you know, small businesses under you know, pretty high caps. So the answer was no this year for an expansion line of credit.
So what advice would you give, Eric, beginning with you? The administration's looking right now, Treasury's looking right now. They know the value of small business. What could you tell them about being there on the front lines?
Well, one of the things that we do as an insurance company, we can also get premium financing for our clients. That's an avenue of financing that can be offered for small businesses. I think small businesses need to look at a lot of the different options, and not only with the banks.
And do you feel the same way, Alana? The banks just have to say to themselves, you got to take some risk, you got to risk it on us?
Yes, and I'm actually putting together a money match event just to match business owners who are seeking funding with companies, alternative sources of funding, who have money to loan business owners to try and sort of balance the books so that people can keep their businesses running.
Friends of FoxNews.com for more information on that, and we'll have it on the After the Show show. Alana Barrison, Eric Cohen, Andrew Hemingway, thanks so much for the forum.
Thank you.
All right, good job.